2026 won't magically become your best year, but you can make it the most powerful year of your life. And it starts right now with one simple question. Who are you becoming? Not what you want, not what you hope. Who are you becoming? Because 2026 will not reward your dreams. It will reward your discipline. Number one, the identity shift. If you enter 2026 with the same habits, the same distractions, the same excuses, you will repeat the same year. Your identity creates your results. Upgrade your identity, and your life upgrades with it. Number two, brutal clarity. Most people fail because they don't know what they truly want. You don't need a long list. You need one mission. That scares you, excites you, and forces you to grow. Write it, commit to it, protect it with your life. Number three, the discipline threshold. Your life changes the moment you stop negotiating with yourself. When the alarm rings, you move. When it's time to work, you focus. When you're tired, you finish anyway. Discipline is not pain. Discipline is freedom. Number four, cut the noise. 2026 will be the year of attention. The person who controls their attention controls their destiny. Remove one app, remove one distraction, remove one toxic habit. Your future is built by subtraction, not addition. Number five, daily reinvention. Small improvements. Every single day. Read, learn, train, reflect. Tiny upgrades compound faster than you can imagine. In 90 days, you won't even recognize yourself. Number six, the hard choice rule. Every day gives you two paths, the easy one and the one that builds you. Choose the hard path. Choose discomfort. Choose the action that scares you. Because the hardest choice is always the one that transforms you. Number seven, the momentum law. Success doesn't come from intensity, it comes from consistency. Don't aim for perfect days. Aim for no 0 days. Do one thing, no matter how small, to push your life forward. Number eight, ruthless self-respect. Stop breaking promises to yourself. Stop shrinking to please others. Stop accepting weak standards. Your life will rise to the level of the respect you have for yourself. Number nine, the 6-month explosion. Give yourself 6 months of discipline, focus, growth, and silence. You will be unrecognizable. Your friends will ask what happened. Your family will be shocked. And you will finally understand your potential. And that is what makes 2026 your best year ever. It's not the year that changes your life. It's you, your actions, your habits, your choices, your discipline. Now answer this. Which version of you is entering 2026? The old you or the unstoppable one? Choose, because your new life is waiting.